How environmentally friendly is 3D printing? Are there sustainable practices that manufacturers can adopt to reduce the environmental impact? Very interesting question, something that comes up all the time. So we make a lot of parts here. We have a lot of scrap. We throw out support material, we do experiments, we generate a fair amount of waste. So one way to be more sustainable is to properly handle that waste by recycling. Of course, we do that. We are quite often asked to use recycled materials in our production methods to improve sustainability, and we don't. And I'll say that we don't for a bunch of reasons, but the biggest issue is the lack of consistent quality in recycled materials. And if I fail one print, then I've basically lost all the savings of recycling the material. Now, for those that think that maybe 3D printing is not a sustainable method, I would throw out a different argument, and it has to do with product design and iterative design. So one of the huge benefits of additive manufacturing is that you can make multiple versions of the same product, and you can design iteratively in a very short period of time. And we see this frequently. The 5th or 7th or 10th design of a product is always better than the first or second design. And we look at a few things. We look at form, fit, functionality, but also manufacturing efficiency. And so if you've gone through your 10th prototype of a part, and yes, we've thrown out say 3 kilograms of material and we wasted some energy and some time in prototyping, but if you save 1 gram of material on that part, and that part in full production is 1,000,000 pieces, you're saving that 1 gram of material on every one of those 1,000,000 pieces, plus you're saving all the shipping, transport costs and all those emissions associated. So I would say that 3D printing, actually the biggest benefit environmentally is iterative design and producing better products that are lighter and easier to ship, and that saves far more than the waste that our industry generates. That's my personal opinion, but I do feel that's a strong point that people often overlook, and they're looking at the direct impact of each individual operation as opposed to the larger picture.